Shema everyone, my name is Joshua and welcome to the Ballet Cymru online tutorials day 60, class 3. Please make sure to read our full disclaimer which you can find on any Ballet Cymru platform. Today I'll be showing you a stretch of the bar, so please make sure you have some comfy clothes on and you either have socks, ballet shoes or actually nothing on your feet. Please make sure you have a clear area around you when performing this exercise so you do not harm yourself or others. So we're going to face our surface, have one hand supporting yourself either on the wall or on your bar. We're going to swish our leg up, 6, 7, and we're just going to go plie and stretch to a rise and down. Plie, go forward, 7, 8. Get your leg off the bar, 2. Put it in your hand and just do a forward stretch, trying to lengthen your lower back, 6. Slowly lower it to the bar, 7, and fouette into non-squat. Same thing. 1, 2, rise. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the leg, 2, 3, 4, now I'll squat, however you want to stretch, 6, send back to the bar, put your lower down and fouette. Plie, stretch to a rise and down, all the way forward into plie, 6, 7, 8. You're going to lift your leg off, fouette to a forward position, and you can go into a nice lunge. Stretching however you want, you can bend your leg, you can keep your body straight, so however you feel most comfortable. 5, 6, swish the leg up, 7, 8. We're going to go plie, stretch, rise, down, bend forward into plie, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift your leg off the bar, into a rotary, and just a forward stretch, making sure your lower back is as straight as possible. Lower it down, fouette. Off the bar into a side stretch. Bring it back, fouette into an arabesque, and plie, rise, forward bend and plie. Now we're going to fouette all the way around into a deep lunge. These last 4 counts for a free stretch. 5, 6, left leg this time, 7, 8, and plie. 2, into a rise. Then forward with a plie. 6, 7, 8. Lift your leg off the bar into a forward stretch, keeping your lower back as straight as possible. Bring it back and fouette. Plie to rise. Plie towards your leg. 6, 7, 8. And we're going to retire into a side stretch, however you want. Lower it slowly back and go to an arabesque. And plie into a rise. Bend forward with a plie. And we're going to fouette all the way around into a lunge and a stretch. Thank you guys very much for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!